What's up, YouTube? I've got the new Mac 3011 by Metro Arms, made here in the Philippines. And I've got the Mac 3011 SLD, or Standard Long Dast Tactical, which means that it has a long dast and tactical rails for light attachment. And there's a box that came with it. So let's see what's inside. So the box is the usual Metro Arms. It's kind of bulky. And here's what's inside. It came with two black magazines. It says here MG P18 38S. It says here on the side. Probably made by McGar of Italy. P18 for Para Ordnance, 18 38 Super. It's the same with the 9mm 38 Super, and 9mm caliber is almost the same, except for the length of the case. And here is a unit. Very oily unit, soaked in oil, as you can see. It is Metro Arms says that it's this 5-inch ramp match grade bull barrel for competition grade accuracy and hit displacement. It also features the fiber optic front sight, and then a fully adjustable bomber type rear sights. It also features a 4140 steel frame, and it says that this slide over here is from Hammer Forge. This is a Hammer Forge slide. What else? Well, it has a magwell. This one, a magwell, Metro Arms magwell, and it is a competition trigger here. It also has a flared and lowered ejection port, which tries to eliminate the hang-ups of the spent shells that comes out when you fire this gun. It also, what else? It is a wide front and rear slide serrations for easier racking. Here's the rear serrations, and this is the front serrations. By the way, I got this in blue. See the oil, the soaking oil that came with it. And this is the tactical rail that I told you, where you put your light attachment. What else? Well, it has also a checkered front strap. Very aggressive looking front strap. It also features skeletonized hammer here. Also ambidextrous safety, and beaver tail similar to that of the STI. So let's check the chamber. Chamber's clear without magazine on it. Well, fitting is very tight, and this is what Metro Arms is known for. It's like a custom made gun. When it comes to sliding, it's really tight. Can you hear it? I haven't brought this to the range yet. I haven't fired a single bullet in it. Well, that's what Metro Arms is known for. Without the oil, I think it would be really hard to rack the slide. What else? Well, it comes with a custom thin aluminum grips with a Mac logo on it. So this one has the the silver colored grips. And well, this is the bull barrel. It also has the full length guide rod. Comes here. That comes standard on this unit. It one thing nice about there's a factory Mach 3011 is a trigger pull. See, probably around. Let me see. Well, it breaks maybe 3.5 pounds. There. So that's it. I hope to bring this baby to the range soon. I'll give you a feedback by then. But so far, this is it. This is in 9mm. I've got the standard 2011 also in 40 caliber, but this is way too heavy, I must tell you. Probably because of the long dust cover, plus the steel grips similar to the Para Ordnance. See? So it's a combination of the 1911 high capacity type plus the 2011 SCI type because of the long dust cover. Okay, so that's about it, and I hope to hit the range soon, and we'll do a review right after. So far, this has been the Mach 3011 from Metro Arms Corporation, made here in the Philippines. Also the maker of SPS of Spain, which produces the Pantera and some open guns. All right.